how to go from this to this. Okay, the last time I tried a water bottle holder, it didn't work. So I got another one, and we're going to test this one out and see how it does. So this one's cool because it's supposed to be automatic, where it expands, which is what I originally wanted. So let's see how it works. You're supposed to be able to just automatically have it expand when you put the bottle inside it. Got two. I'm hoping that both of them will work right here with different sizes of bottles. Like this one, we've got the Simply Modern one, and even the Stanleys with the skinnier bottom. And right now they just move around. The 40 ounces seem to work okay, but if I put like a small 8-ounce Red Bull, it just flops all over. If we try to put these in, you can see every time we turn a corner, it just wobbles like that. It's so annoying. So the biggest reason I got the cup holders was for this, to see if we can solve that problem. So far, I think it looks pretty cool. It's got the expander at the bottom here, so these are rubbery. You're supposed to be able to twist it and expand it so it fits inside there, nice and tight. Has a nice little foam bottom here. So one thing that's cool is you just set it down inside there, and then you just push down and start twisting it to the right, and you'll see it's pretty snug already. It just pushes those expanders out inside the cup holder. So just gently kind of twist it. Now you can see it's pretty snug. Just gonna go a little more. Okay, well, let's try this out first time. We've got this Simply Modern bottle. Actually looks pretty good. I was worried it would stick up really high. It's not too bad. We're in the Honda Odyssey here. Ooh, check that out. It's pretty good. I think it'll keep it from tipping. So the cool thing is if you can still pull it out easily, but then you can just set it back down, and if you see these sides expand a little bit, I think we might have a solution. Kind of interesting. So it'll shake a little bit. Let's see how the 40 ounce fits. So the idea is you're supposed to be able to sort of kind of hit it. Put it inside there. Ooh. Made me nervous, but it worked. Let's see. Man, that's pretty sweet. It works. So the nice thing about it is we can leave it in the cup holder. We don't have to keep adjusting it depending on the bottle. We can just use the 40. Question is, will it work for this still? Nope, looks like it's jammed up. All right, I just discovered something cool. So first, we've got this, so we can set it down in there. It's good. Say we want to switch bottles to the 40. Well, to the fat bottom 40. You just kind of have to lean and start pushing, and then it expands. And what I just discovered that's really cool is if we pull this out and we're like, oh, we want to put this one in, you can see it's loose. So what I discovered is if you just keep pushing the bottom part right here, it makes those side edges go in. So I can take the bottle and hit it a couple times, and then it should secure it. Let me see. Yeah, so now it's tight again, and then that's good to fit. So not completely fast or smooth, but pretty dang good transition there. So I like this cup holder so much, I put one in my other vehicle. It's an 86 Land Cruiser, just a standard cup holder there. And this is an 8-ounce Red Bull. It's not perfect, you can see it can still tip, but I found that with the little foam at the bottom, it actually seems to kind of stay like this and just bounce a little, so it works pretty well. And if it does tip, it's not bad. And then Even the 12-ounce Red Bull, not bad. And then if you have a 16-ounce, it actually fits pretty well in here. And then you can still put your large 40-ounce bottles, just letting it expand as you slide it in. So overall, I love it. Highly recommend buying these for your car. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.